welcome back to our channel.
I'm in work mode. James.
Yes, we're just us wondering, and today we paint the van. While James is trying to work out the sheeting, let me show you around the van. This is KD/Wonder Vehicle, and it is being painted a lovely sand ivory colour. We're just going to lay out some sheets to protect James. This is exciting! So we have begun to, I've changed. We've now begun to strip the van and cover bits. So we've just took all the trim off, and James is trying to
Remove the light.
remove the light, which seems to be going okay. I'll go round it. Oh, let me out. Remove the lights. Then you have to unclip this.
One
The
light.
light is removed. So yeah. This van is way more prepped than Dory ever was. But this is like 10 times the size, therefore scary. But we'll see. Well yeah, that would be scary. We did own him for like 4 years. My lips have flooped from the work I've been doing. I've had a reaction. Removing the other light, and then we'll go from there. So step 1 of painting a van is masking, and well, step 1 is sanding, which you've seen in the last one, but step 2 is masking and prepping that way.
Masking takes.
Jim, can I just point you out to my light
My light's
and
not
now look
finished
at your
yet.
light?
My light's
I mean,
made.
if we paint that bit, we've got problems. Anyway, when Jim's finished his light, I think we're pretty much finished masking. So James is just going over with the tack cloth, because I don't know what time it is. Let me check. Let me check. Let me check. It's 6:30. We've got until about 9 tonight to get done, but we're absolutely starving as well. Forklift in the way. But we've taped up, covered up everything we want to cover. And I guess we're going to give it a go, I think. The paint we're using is Combi Colour. Wow. 1015, and it's a satin finish. What finish was Dory?
I think Dory was going to be, or it was meant to be, but we weren't probably sure.
But we're spray painting this, so hopefully it'll come out better. But yeah, let's tack cloth and then get mixing again. Right, we're going to do it now, so let me move it down. So James has done 500 of paint, and how you doing what?
A bit less than.
You can't even see it. About 10%, guys.
Yeah, it's a little bit more than 10%. But yeah.
But you're going to lose a bit in the actual bowl anyway. It's a nice colour.
This is what we've decided to use.
Do not drop that.
I could do with you holding it, to be honest. By the top.
So what is that you're using?
It's a TerraTech paint sprayer, and I have a bag to give it.
You haven't tested it?
No.
Well, you need to.
We're going to test it on that.
No.
Yeah, I'm going to test it on that.
I don't want you to.
Really?
No, I've said no. How do you know if it's doing horizontals or not?
We will know in a second.
Do it on the floor, Jim.
Yep, you ready?
Do you not want to go on the roof first?
Yeah, I do.
So, it's now gone 9 o'clock, but we now have a ivory van, a green van. Let me show you. What do you think?
It actually looks really good.
Doesn't it?
Yeah.
It looks like a brand new, out of the garage van. And I
It's a lot of work.
It's a lot of work.
Lots of work with so much.
It is, but like, Jesus. Especially obviously when the black trim's on. And you can actually see the black wheels and the black fence, like, it's gonna look so good. But yeah, one last walk around, and then we're going to get the puppies, because my mum's got them. So proud of it. So proud of you. And then it's back tomorrow for a second go, although I don't even think it needs one.
Early in the morning.
Early in the morning, one more go. Then I presume we'll treat ourselves to a little breakfast or lunch somewhere, waiting for it to dry. Beg your pardon. And then we can drive it out and show you. If it's not dark. Probably will be.
Let's hope it's not that.
Yeah, let's open up. Anyway, we're going to clean up, so catch you in the morning. Good morning from Parla Marina. It is a beautiful morning, and today we are going to check on the van and do another layer of paint, and then hopefully start putting it back together. It's an exciting day. Let's go. Smells painty. Wow. So we are back at James's work. I just put my keys down and I nearly lost everything. And this is the van. One more coat and then it looks like custard. Should we call it custard? No, because the doggos. So, although the van doesn't really need a second coat, we're still going to do it just so it's got that second layer of protection. But black trim, wheels. We need to get new tyres for it soon. But the next step is to fix the paint. Hopefully this still works. We have officially painted our van.
Let's see what it looks like with masking tape off.
Make me hack a lot that. Now I guess it's time to try and remove some masking tape, because otherwise it becomes a nightmare when it's too dry. I am worried that we're like...
Too soon. Maybe we leave it a couple of hours.
I think maybe leave it a couple of hours.
We'll leave it a
Has to
couple
go
of
tacky,
hours.
doesn't
We'll
it?
go shopping, we'll come back and we will remove the masking tape.
We're way too impatient. I'm going to try and remove the stuff from at least the window, and I've already done this. Let's have a go. We haven't seen it yet. We're going to turn around in 3, 2, 1. It looks so good.
That's really good, isn't it?
We're going shopping now because it's got to dry still a bit.
We need to drop the fan back in after shopping.
Yeah, we'll have to shop in. We'll put the fan back in. But for now, we're going shopping, so we'll catch you when we come back.
Oh, put all the trim back on.
And we got to put the trim back
Put all
on.
the trim back on.
Catch you when we come back. So we are back from shopping and I have something to show you. There's the best lighting. Can you see that? I smashed my head into the door. Also broke my glasses. So as I went out this door, I pushed it with all my might. I know, it's going to be quite the eyesore, I think. And I've got my focus. All my lips have gone funny. I think I've got like some sort of chemical burn or allergic reaction. So I'm just not very happy at the minute. But the paint is nearly dry. Yeah, we've been out 3.5 hours. Go away a little longer and then we should be able to put the roof vent back in and have a look at the paint outside, which will be great. But for now we have doggos in the front. I'm going to empty the bag and then this will be part of a new vlog, so I'll catch you up when we're about to finish off the painting and put the bodywork back together. It's now time to put the trims all back on the sides. I've laid them all out. Can you see that? Smashed my head into the door, this door, broke my glasses, managed to fix them, but have gained a black eye. Yeah. So I'm just going to time lapse me putting these back on because they're tricky buggers, and then that will be the pan put back together, and then eventually we'll just have to put this shower unit in, which will protect that bit. But let's go. So that is all the trims back on now, so it's technically finished. They're all going to get painted in like a chocolate liner, but until that happens, it's done. And we love it. Let's give you a quick walk around. Can't even see you in there now, it's so dark. James has just been insulating which is a different video. I'll be showing how to do that as well. So now we've got to put the Max fan back on, and then fingers crossed we can actually drive out of here.
So I'm just dropping the fan back in. Loose at the moment. Four screws called like this fellow. Fitted this last weekend, but we just ready to pull it out and now dropping it back in. I think it's the last thing we've got to do until we drive opposite.
We are pretty much all packed up and ready to pull. Willow! Oh, this dog. What are you doing? Look at her. What are you doing? I can't reach you. I can't reach you. Okay. Woo! Look at you. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh. So, start us again, shall we? We are all packed up and pretty much ready to pull the van out of the unit, call it. James's work. He's doing big weight today. Yeah, we're all packed up. Pretty much ready, aren't we, Jim?
Pretty much ready.
I mean, you're not going to be able to see anything tonight because it's pitch black, but it's okay, it's done. And then tomorrow when it's light, we'll give you a quick walk around before we have to go to my market. That cat is a dog.
It's our dog.
Yeah, she's been good. But yeah, I suppose I'll see you in the morning. Well, I'll show you him driving actually. See you in a minute. Looks like a white van at night.
Does it look like a white van at night?
It's finally happened.
It does look like a white van at night, but
It's not. It's like ivory. With a black eye. Right, we're taking it back to the boat now. Yeah.
yeah, we'll do
And we'll show you in the
a fly
daylight.
round.